What would I prefer doing? What I feel is right or what I think is right? You believe or not, whatever I'm going to do is not going to be good for somebody, it's not going to make somebody feel good, no matter what you do. So it reciprocates as well from other side. What I prefer personally, with my personal experience, I prefer doing things, trying it. And when I feel after a few tries, if they're turning in favor, in multiplication, multifold, not only for me, for other people as well, okay, let's continue. It's coming back with benefit. If it's not turning in benefit for the society, for me, then I would prefer giving up. I don't feel shame while giving up, honestly speaking, because this is human tendency. We only try. And when something happens for good, continue it. If it's not good, stop. Being arrogant for something which is not good, this is not right for you, for your energy, for your personal self. But make sure whatever you're trying, at least you're giving your best once in a while. So I always try, I always preach, I always tell, I always insist, wherever you are, please give your best at least. No matter what you do and whatever you aspire, things will turn into your favor. But if you're not giving the best wherever you are, then things will not turn in your favor at all. Because life is very difficult, at the same time very simple. It reciprocates, it comes back. I started my education in different field. Then I got into the real field, ground field, in a different field. Then later on, I shifted to another field, then in sales, then business. I did not plan, but what my promise was to the field, to my life, to the society, wherever I am, I will do my best with honesty, with diligence, without any discount, best to my abilities. And rest, everything turned into my favor. Honestly speaking, whatever is right, whatever is not right, whatever I feel right, whatever I think right, is all irrelevant for some people, but very much relevant for people as well. There are few people around me. So if it's turning in your favor, you will like it. If it's not turning in your favor, you will hate it. You will stand disagreed right in front of me. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is what life is all about. You choose your intention. If intention is correct, continue. Keep taking steps. Keep pursuing it. And trust me, people will follow you. You will become someone people really follow you in millions. And that time is coming very soon in my life, because I always clear my intention. I always keep my faith very high that yes, we came for try, and I'm trying my best. And rest is not in my hand at all. It is not in anybody's hand. Ladies and gentlemen, do whatever is right for you, but considering the society in your mind. Thank you so much, Mr. Topics Master. Back to you.